Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The fears concerning the debt epidemic can damage not only the euro and eurozone. There are already signs that the investors strive to leave the markets of the risky assets. This will exert pressure on the emerging markets and the cost of the commodities as well. At the end of the previous week, it became known that after the debt of Greece achieved the acceptable levels, it finally gave up and officially requested assistance from the European Union and the International Monetary Fund. However, this request was received until the negotiations concerning the possible assistance package ended. That is why Greece will have to rely on the short-term credits until it will not happen. Meanwhile, it is not clear what will be this aid. The result of Greece coincided with the appearance of the new signs that Germany is not satisfied with the perspectives of the country's crediting, which is not able to live within its means, and the German constitution still prevents this process. According to some economists, 13 billion euros promised by the European Union and 15 billion euros promised by the IMF will not be enough, especially after the recent increase of the assessment of the Greek budget deficit, but also will make difficult the financing of debts to other Eurozone countries suffering from the similar hardships. On the other hand, the Greek authorities face with problems in attempting to implement a project of cutting spending. Even previous attempts to reduce the budget were difficult, and in the months ahead the public discontent most probably will toughen. This means that there will be a risk of the plan's revision concerning the Greek debt or even further pressure on this country in order to force it to leave the Eurozone. In this case, the upward pressure on the profitability spreads and credit default swaps will remain this week. Therefore, the cost of the debt security for other debtor countries entering Eurozone will be high. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News Team. Goodbye.